What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we are going to tackle questions, data science interview questions 21 up to 25. So let's get to it. For question 21 we have, do all gradient descent methods converge to the same point? The answer is no, they don't. They do not, guys, because you see, the gradient descent methods, they can reach local minima or optima point in some circumstances. Okay, it depends on the problem that you are faced with. Now, you will not be able to reach the global optimum. The data and the initial conditions determine this. And as a side note, guys, it is always good to know that point of convergence, when they do speak of point of convergence, it refers to the exact point at where the cost function is at its minimum. Okay, so that's good to keep in mind. Now, on to data science interview question 22, we have what exactly is the purpose of A/B testing? So, in simple terms, A/B testing is a statistical hypothesis test for a randomized experiment involving two variables A and B. A and B testing is used to detect modifications to a web page in order to optimize or raise the outcome of interest. And that is what we have there. So there is a small visualization here as well, guys, pertaining to A/B testing. So on to the next one, we have data science interview number 23. What are the limitations of using a linear model? So the linear model has a number of shortcomings, including the linearity of the mistakes assumption. It can't be utilized for binary or count results. There are some overfitting issues that it is unable to resolve. So that's what we have there. Now, in actual sense, guys, linear model is something like linear regression. And you guys know, right? There are a lot of shortcomings or flaws, or I wouldn't really call it flaws, I'd say limitations, that's imposed on you when you are using linear regression. Like, for example, what if you have a classification problem and you cannot use linear regression, for example, to go about solving that problem? Now, on to data science interview question number 24, we have what is the law of large numbers and how does it work? So the law of large numbers is basically a theorem that outlines what happens when you repeat an experiment a lot of times. So frequency style thinking is based on this theorem. It states that the sample mean, sample variance, and sample standard deviation all converge to the estimate they are attempting to make. Okay, so for the final question for this video, we have data science interview question number 25. If the interviewer asks or tells you, tell me something about confounding variables, so your answer should be something along these lines, okay? You need to tell the interviewer, extraneous variables in a statistical model are variables that have a direct or inverse relationship with both the dependent and independent variables. The confounding factor is not taken into account in the estimate. So that's what you can see. Also in the visualization, we see confounding variables. It's split up into two subcategories or types, independent and dependent, okay? And confounding variables affect the relationship between two variables. Okay, so that is what we have for this video. It wasn't anything too mind-blowing and difficult. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. Good luck with your work, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.